wow is all I gotta say. The condition of this car, Brian, it is freaking phenomenal. It's immaculate, man. The other ones were freaking dookie compared to this one. Yeah, it is a beast. Whew. Look at that, no dings. Very minimal dings on the front, just a couple. Gee, man, this car is in phenomenal condition. Look at, there's no door dings on here. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I'm impressed. I ain't even gonna lie. Because I just walked through like 10 different Teslas and they had webs and rust and all kinds of crap. Yep. All right, let's ride. All right, Tesla Model S. This is the stock height of the vehicle. That's what it looks like right now. So, as you can see, the gap in it is, I don't know, I would say like 2.5 fingers. Let's see, 3, barely get 3 in there. So, we're gonna do the drop links today and get this bad boy on the ground. Let's see here. There's the rear gap. Let's see here. Yeah, about 3 fingy. And this is at the low setting, or you know what, the lower standard setting. Let me check here. Let's see here. All right. Okay, settings, here we go. Suspension, yeah, it's at the low setting, see? So we're at the lowest setting. This is a Tesla. This is the Model S with a dual motor, so it's a 90D. They're very, very, very quick. I'm very impressed with how fast this car is. So I bought it because my commuter blew up. So here we go. We're gonna make it happen. So let's do a little quick walk around on it. I mean, it's dumb clean. There might be one door ding in it, but otherwise than that, it's a super, super clean vehicle. I mean, look inside of it. Look at that thing. Super clean. Super clean. Very happy with this car. This is one I could take all the family out and not be embarrassed. Like when I'm in the Volt, I feel like I'm in a Prius. And this will gap most of the people out there. So it'll go 270 miles on one charge. And I get to charge it at work for free. This is a good investment. So let's get going. Okay, here is the rear installed. Here's a stock one. And here is the new install. I just did a 1/4 inch on each side. And we're gonna see where that puts us. If it's not low enough, we'll readjust. Alright, here's the other driver's side. So I did a 1/4 inch on each side of those links, each ball, so let's see where the car ends up dropping. Everything is a 1/4 inch all the way around, all 4 corners. Alright, there it is. Dougie just laid down the tint, oh so lovely, and the drop is there. So this will be 1.5 inches lower than the factory's lowest drop. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at that.
We went for the wheels actually wider than the whole butt. I'm gonna run it too.
So there you go. There's the wheel gap. There's the wheel gap. I mean, maybe a finger, but yeah, it's down. And then Doug just did a freaking phenomenal job. Look at this tint. Look at that. Dumb clean. Check out the other side. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. There's that Tint, you got the Limo on it. Hella nice to see here. Let's open it up here. We tinted now. We tinted now. Wow. So, oops. So there you go. Look at that. Perfect. Looks freaking good. No bubbles at all. They cut all their tint on the plotter over there. All right, so again, let's check out the, wow. I mean, it might drop even lower when I start driving it. Let's check it out. Good job, Dougie. This is the tinner at Mad Wraps. Where can they find you at on your Instagram? What's your Instagram, Dougie?
AMG.Dougie.
There you go, AMG.Dougie. He got the custom AMG over there. What's up, Brian? Say what's up. Here's the owner of Mad Wraps. The man, the myth, the legend. Thank you, my brother.
No problem, man.
Always taking care of business, guys. What's your Instagram?
At Mad with 2 D's _ Wraps, 2 P's. 2 D's,
Bam.
2 P's, Mad Wraps.
There you go. That's where you can find these guys. These are the guys that handle the Mad Wrap stuff. Check them out, Dougie for the tint, and big boy homeboy with the wraps. Okay, let's see here. So, all right, here we go. Lights are gonna be on parking, suspension. Let's go. It's on high. Let's go very high. Whoa, it's raising. It's raising. There it is. It's up. All right, let's check it out. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So that's the 4-wheel. So that's raised up. Look at that back. Back is super raised up. Check the other side. Oh yeah. Big time raised. That just looks funny as hell. Look at that wheel gap. Alright. Now that you see it, now let's drop it.